Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We're dealing with grooves from Mozambique. And today I'm going to deal with a groove from Shidimingwana. It's called Tsiwonile Antompini Yakushonga. Maybe the guy has got his lady to marry. So here's a groove, a bass groove here. We are dealing with Marabenda music from Mozambique. Now it's in the key of G, if you may look at it that way. Here. So we are centered on this key, and these are the octaves. So G. If I do the do ti la sol fa mi do, or do re mi fa sol la ti do, and backwards. Now let's do do ti la sol. We always want to use the fifth as well, the bassy fifth, which is below the root. Okay, a fifth below the root there. Okay, so it goes here. So. Okay, so you basically, just for the explanation, you're basically starting from the root there, which is G. Go to the fourth, and now you know that this is the sixth here. So you go root, fourth, sixth, and to the fifth there. Then, so you go. Then third here. Then the second, and then fifth, and then root. Okay, pretty easy. Now you can also include when you are going down, up like this. You can go to the third there. Instead of making this one a silent note, you can hit it. So super slowly we have this groove here. Sorry. This? That's fourth, fifth, third, fourth, sixth, and you go to fifth. You need to train on that one, which is just exercise. Give it some more, practice it. It's I'm using one finger per fret kind of stuff. So okay, it is as simple as that. So you go. Okay, Marabenda music. So you can just see that I'm using fingers now. I'm just using fingers, and you may want to allocate the two fingers. Actually the thumb and the finger, the first finger. Let's play it that way. So watch the right hand. Okay, the way it goes with finger and thumb is the finger would be doing the upward picking and the thumb does the downward picking. Okay, that's the thumb and the finger. So they allocated some directional motions. Okay, and as far as picking is concerned there. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. We're doing grooves from Mozambique, Marabenda music. And we were dealing here with the Shidimangwana with a song called Tionile Antompini Yakshonga. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next groove.